is Rosalind Lewis coming to you from Charlotte, North Carolina again. So this video will be a two-part video, so you will have to come back tomorrow to see the second part. So today we are discussing some great questions to ask when building a new construction home. There are actually going to be 10 questions you should ask, so today I'm going to give 5. So number 1, what is the average build time? The sales agent for the builder is the one that gives you this information. Here in Charlotte, most builders are giving a time frame of 6 to 8 months due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So, number 2, can I see homes you've built and or speak with other clients or give me references? Most builders will be happy to show you homes in process of being built, as well as give you references from clients they have previously built homes for. They will even give you neighborhoods to go visit that they completed previously also. Number 3, what kind of incentives do you and or your preferred lender offer? The sales agent will give you this information during your initial visit and will also go over any incentives that they are offering at the present time. Every builder is different. They offer incentives in different parts of the month. Number 4, what features are standard when you have your appointment to visit the design center? This is where you will make all of the interior and exterior choices for your new home. Most of the time, what we call the elevation of the home, which is outside of the home, will be done during your time with the sales agent in the model home you may have visited. Now, number 5, how and when can I make changes to the building plans? Most production home builders like True Homes, Magnamy, or Meritage will let you make changes after your design center appointment. But you must keep in mind that it may come at a cost, because it's called what you call change fees for making those changes. So keep that in mind. So that was a great start to the 10 questions to ask when you're building a new construction home. I hope this has been helpful to you, and I thank you for watching Rosalind the Realtor TV. See you tomorrow for part 2.